Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 9 soil, and now we will discuss about prevention of soil erosion, soil conservation. Prevention prevention of soil erosion, conservation. Prevention of soil erosion or conservation. Prevention of soil erosion can be brought about by controlling the factors which causes soil erosion, and the methods are as follows. What are the methods? Deforestation should be stopped and rather trees should be planted, means afforestation, plantation of trees should be there. Afforestation should be undertaken not only in areas already cut, but additional areas should be brought under plantation, and trees and grasses hold the soil in place. Second one is the to reduce the effect of strong winds. Reduce the effect of strong winds. First one is the afforestation. Afforestation, and second one is the reduce the effect of strong winds. 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 And to maintain the soil in its natural condition, it is advisable to grow different crops, and crop rotation is called, helps to maintain the fertility of soil. So third one is the crop rotation. Crop rotation. Crop rotation. Crop rotation. And proper drainage and irrigation arrangements should be made in the fields. Proper drainage and irrigation arrangement should be made in the fields, and on the sloping areas in hills, terrace cropping should be practiced, thereby reducing the steepness of the slopes and checking soil erosion. For formative assessment, a soil is richer in organic matter than the other soils. And can you guess the color of the soil? For growing which type of crops, clay soil is suitable? For which two natural factors are responsible for the soil erosion? What is the aim of terrace farming? And keywords is the given: soil, uppermost layer of the earth surface is in which plants grow. Weathering, process of soil formation, disintegration of large pieces of rocky material into fine particles. And soil profile, vertical section of soil to show different layers of soil. And loamy soil, soil having both fine and big sized soil particles, best for plant growth. Roundup, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's crust in which plants grow. Soil is formed from the parent rock material by a very slow and gradual process that is called the weathering. A number of agents, temperature changes, frost, water, wind, and living organisms are involved in the weathering of rocks. There are three main layers or horizons in the soil profile: A horizon, B horizon, and C horizon. Soil consists of particles, humus, organic matter, water, air, and living organisms. Soil particles, depending on size, consist of clay, sand, and gravel. A soil containing a mixture of sand, silt, and clay is called a loamy soil, and it is best for the plant growth. Clay soil is used to make tiles, pots, and statues. Wind and rain bring about loss of the topsoil, soil erosion, and deforestation, overgrazing, and poor farming methods have accelerated the process of soil erosion. Different types of soils are used to grow different crops. Cotton is grown in a sandy loam soil. Clay and loamy soils are best for growing wheat, gram, and paddy. So this is all about chapter 9 and I will tell exercise. Lesson 9 exercise. First one is the MCQ. MCQ. First one is the MCQ. The process of soil formation is called weathering. First one is the weathering. First is called the weathering. Second, soil profile consists of 3 layers. 3 layers. Third one, parent rock material is present in C horizon. C horizon. Fourth, humus is present in A horizon. A horizon. Fifth one, soil best suited for plant growth. Soil best suited for plant growth. Soil best suited for plant growth. Loamy. Sixth, the water holding capacity is highest in clay soil. Water holding capacity is highest in clay soil. The water holding capacity is highest in clay soil. Clay soil. Clay soil. Water holding capacity is highest in clay soil. In addition to rock particles, the soil contains water, air, organic matter and minerals. Water, air, organic matter and minerals. Organic matter and minerals. Water, air, organic matter and minerals. Plants prevents soil erosion, loosening of soil, afforestation. Eighth one, plants prevent soil erosion, loosening of soil, afforestation. Plants prevent loosening of soil, means answer is the D, all of these. all of these. Answer in D1, all of these. Now come to the next one, ninth one. 9. Soil fertility is enriched by certain plants like legumes. 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 Last one, soil organisms are important because they all of these: burrow the soil, decompose the dead plants, release the mineral back into the soil. All of these. D, all of these. All of these. All of these. So you can see that in multiple choice questions, first one is the withering, second one is the 3 layers, third one is the C horizon, fourth one is the A horizon, fifth one is the loamy, sixth one clay soil, seventh one water, air, organic matter and minerals, eighth soil erosion, loosening of soil, afforestation, means all of these. Last option is the all of these. And ninth one, certain plants like legumes, and D, all of these. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Second one, fill in the blanks. Second, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fill in the blanks. First one is the silt and clay particles range in size from 0 mm to 0.05. 0 mm to 0.05 mm. Humus is present in A horizon. Humus is present in A horizon of the soil profile. Third one, A horizon is also known as topsoil. A horizon is also known as topsoil. Fourth one, bedrock is found below the C horizon. Bedrock is found below the C horizon. Last one, humus content is highest in topsoil. Highest in topsoil. So this is the fill in the blanks. Till here you have to write in copy.